Good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra, and welcome. How are we all doing on this really rather miserable Saturday evening? We had our little storm. Well, a little storm. It did a bit of damage down here because, for those of you who don't know, I live right down the coast in Sussex. Hence my name, Sussex Sandra. It was a bit of damage done down here, but we've all survived. There's still quite a bit of flooding going on, and today has been a lot of rain as well. Very windy and lots of just rain showers, heavy rain showers coming down. So it's been that kind of day, but hey, it's autumn. This is what we expect at this time of year. But you don't want to know about the weather, do you? Today I am finally, because I just remembered this morning, I am finally getting around to announcing my giveaway winner. So I tried to do a giveaway. For those of you who are new to my channel, hi and welcome. By the way, hi. I try to do a giveaway every month. My giveaways consist of products that I have received in my beauty boxes, and sometimes there's some other products that I may have purchased along the way. So the beauty boxes I receive are, what are they? GLOSSYBOX, look fantastic. Birchbox, that's the UK boxes. And in America I received the three Ipsy boxes. So that's the Glam Bag, BoxyCharm by Ipsy, and every 3 months I receive their big tier, which is the Icon box. So I haven't received the Icon box yet. It's out this month, so I can't wait for that one to come. So I'll probably be unboxing that one end of this month, beginning of December. But anyway, so that is what is usually inside my giveaway boxes. So it's products I've received from those beauty box subscriptions, and it's products that usually can't work for me for one way or it's usually products that don't work for me for one reason or another, or it's something I've received before, I don't need, it's that kind of thing. But they're all new products, untouched, and instead of sort of throwing them away or just them being around my house just cluttering, I put them in a giveaway box, and hopefully I'll do a giveaway box every month. So before I go into picking out the winner, I'm just going to show you the products that are inside the giveaway box this month. Okay, so let's start. It's all going to be coming inside this old glossy box which I've got here. And yeah, it'll go. So first thing is, this is a product that was in the October, is that correct? I think it was in the October BoxyCharm by Ipsy. So the BoxyCharm by Ipsy, we get 5 full-size items, and 2 of the items are items that are picked by Ipsy, and this was one of the items that was picked. I decided I didn't need any more of these brushes, so you've got 3 brushes here that were inside my BoxyCharm by Ipsy. Okay, so there's that. Also in here is an eyeshadow palette. This I got, I can't remember when, but at some point this year in one of my BoxyCharm by Ipsy boxes again, and it's an eyeshadow palette from Winky Lux. So this is a brand we do get here in the UK. It's a palette of very neutral colours, and I've got more than enough eyeshadow palettes of neutral colours. Those are the colours at the back. Shall I open it? I'll show it to you, because I don't think I've shown this to you recently. Let me see how to open it. I don't want to damage the box. Right, here we go. So that's that, and then, oops. I always drop something every video, but those are the colours. So I just dropped the cover. So those are the colours in there. Okay, let me get the cover. Right, so you've got an eyeshadow palette there. My giveaway boxes are usually worth, I would say usually worth at least up to £100, at least £75. So you usually get better value from my giveaway boxes than you do from the subscription boxes we have in the UK boxes. I'm just saying, you usually get better value. Right, next is something I'm pretty certain I got. Let's have a look at this. Give Them Lala. So this has been something from an Ipsy Glam bag. It's Give Them Lala, which is one of the brands they have in there. I call it what you call a filler brand. What is it? Is this a mascara? I think it might be a mascara. No, it's a brow gel. It's a clear brow gel. I don't know if you can see that. It's a clear brow gel. Let's see if I can find it. There it goes. It says it there. I tend to use tinted brow gels. I don't keep my clear brow gels, so I tend to go for dark brown in brow gels. Basically because my brows are so thin and so sparse, so I do everything I can just to give myself something. So a clear brow gel is not doing it for me. I'm always going to use a bit of colour. So that's the third item. Next is also something from one of my Ipsy Glam bags. So you're getting quite a few things that were in my American Beauty boxes. This is from Toy Factory and Doll Paint, and this is a brown gel eyeliner. The box is sealed, so I can't open it, but there you go. It's a brown gel eyeliner. So got some makeup items here. So far we've had all American Beauty boxes. This is definitely something from a UK box. I've got a feeling this came in my September Birchbox, which I received in October. So this is Balance Me BHA Exfoliating Concentrate. This is a product that doesn't work for me. I have tried it before and I just don't like the feel of it. I don't like the texture of it on my skin. I've seen people comment on this and they say that they like it, it works for them. Well, I just don't like the feel of it. So when I receive this, I always put it in the giveaway. So you got that. Pretty certain that was in the Birchbox I received in October, which was for September. Talking of which, I received my, I received my October Birchbox this morning, so I'll probably be filming that after this. Right, next is from Brushwork. So this definitely came in a UK box. It's an eyelash curler. I have no use for anything like that because basically I've hardly got any eyelashes, but I don't like receiving things like this in giveaway. I don't like receiving things like this in my subscription boxes because I have no use for them. So, and Brushworks is a brand I'm not that fond of. So in the giveaway it goes. This is nail varnish. This also came in the Birchbox I received last month. It was a nail varnish. In the video I said I'd give it to my daughter, sort of forgetting that she also receives Birchbox. So she's already got one of these. So this is a colour I would never wear. So here it goes, the giveaway. I mean, that nail varnish, that size nail varnish from Nails Inc, they sell for either £11 or £15. I can't remember, but it's between that price, £11 and £15. So, you know, you get your value there. This is another full-size item. This is from Pixie by Petra. I think this came in a Look Fantastic box and it is a brow tamer. So it's another brow gel. Ooh, do we need 2 brow gels in one box? I might remove one of them. I'll keep this one in here and I'll remove the other one because you don't need 2 brow gels. So this is from Pixie and it's a clear brow gel. Yeah, I'll remove the other one. You don't need 2 of those in one box, do you? So I'll take this one out. I'll put it in a future one. Then here is something from my American boxes again. This is from Tres Loose Beauty. This is a brand we don't receive anymore. I think this was a liquid eyeshadow. It was in a silvery colour, Diamante. And I knew it's not a colour that I would wear. The style, I've got one here somewhere. Because I was thinking about putting one on today. Actually, here it is. I was thinking about putting this on this morning. This one is from Stila, and it's a silvery green colour. So that's the kind of thing I would wear. It's the same sort of formula. So this is what they look like. So they've got a shimmer, yeah, and it's a colour like that. But this one is silver. And I just knew I wouldn't be wearing it. Let me take it out, see if I can take it out without damaging the box too much. Oh, right, okay. There you go. So that's what it looks like. Tres Loose, everything they do is always in this blue packaging. That's their colouring. I've got a couple of their eyeshadow palettes up there. So that's the next item. So getting quite a few makeup-y items in here, which is good actually, because a lot of my giveaways do tend to be quite skincare heavy, but you get quite a few makeup-y things here. This is from the Birchbox I received last month as well. This is Manna Kadar, and it was a glow illuminator. So it's that, it's all sealed. This is from an American Beauty box. I think it was in a glam bag a couple of months back, because I remember receiving it, and I received this twice. So this is like an eyeshadow palette again. So I've got one, so didn't need to. So there we go, this one here. This is Lottie London. This is from, I can't remember, it's a day moisturiser, it's a night cream, and it's a serum base, all-in-one product, universal emulsion. I can't remember where I got this from, but I've got a feeling it's from one of the UK boxes. So there's that product there. So it's a bit of skincare. Then we've got another product from Lottie London, which will go quite nicely with the eyeshadow palette. This is a lipstick. It's in that colour that we tend to get a lot of in beauty boxes, and I've just got enough of these colours. So it's a Slay All Day. It's a deluxe size lipstick, and it will go well with the eyeshadow palette. Yep. What else is in here? And that's it. This is just a sachet. So it's a sachet I've got in one of the boxes from Neutrogena Retinol Boost. So yeah, so that's the giveaway content. So there's quite a few things there. It's quite makeup heavy, so I'm quite pleased with it actually. I like it when I can give makeup away. So let's put those all away. Now, if I remember correctly, I think it was, I can't remember, something like 15 maybe people, 15 people who qualified for the giveaway this month. So with my giveaways, and I say this every month and people still forget and they still try to enter, if you want to enter my giveaways, you must be a public subscriber to my channel. So you need to go to your privacy settings and you need to leave a comment down below, but in your privacy settings you need to switch it across so it's not on. So then when I click on your comment and click on your name next to the comment, it will show up how many comments you've left on my channel, and it will show that you are a subscriber to my channel, because that's the only way I can tell now if you are a subscriber to my channel. So, and I really only want to reward people who watch and comment on my channel. So it is a key thing for me. So if you really want to enter my giveaways, do make sure that you are a public subscriber to my channel. Right, okay, so what I have done previously, all the people whose names I checked against the video, I checked that they are public subscribers. I put all their names inside here, so it's about 15 I think it was in here, so everybody is in there. I'm just going to give it a final little mix. Yep. And I am going to pull out a name. Right, let's pull out a name. Right, who have we got here? We have got number 16, is that? I think it's 16. And it's Linda B. Sorry, my handwriting is really bad, but it's Linda B. So Linda B, you have won my giveaway for October. Congratulations. Congratulations to you. So what I would like you to do, Linda, is if you can message me on Instagram. That's if you've got Instagram. So if you can message me on Instagram just to say, hi, you know, I've won. Then what I will do, I will then message you with a little thing I want you to do. So it's a little task for you to do just to verify that you are the person who is winning, because you'd be surprised how many people, I'm not joking, people do try to message me to say, yeah, they're the winner. It's like, nah, no you're not, no you're not. So I do a little thing just to verify that you're the winner. So I will do that, and then once I've verified that it's you, I will then ask for your address or the address you want me to send it to, and then I will post a parcel on. So today is Saturday evening, so it's Saturday the 4th today, 4th of November, yeah, 4th of November today. So I will leave this open for you to get in touch with me by Wednesday of next week, and hopefully you'll get in touch with me by then. If I don't hear anything from you by Wednesday, I will go ahead and pick another name out of this bag, and I'll just put a message on to the other person who's want to say, okay, you've won. But for now, Linda B, you are the winner, so congratulations. And thank you all for watching and for entering. I will be doing another giveaway this month. This will be I'm trying to think how this is going to work, because I'm going away for 2 weeks in December. So the next giveaway will probably be the last giveaway of this year, because I can't see me getting one done in time for December. I'll get myself organised enough to do one for December. So I think the next giveaway will be the last giveaway for this year, 2023, and I'll start again for January. I think that's fair. All right, so I will announce when the next giveaway is coming or when it's starting, and I'll mention it in the appropriate video. All right, so everyone, congratulate Linda for winning this giveaway. I hope you enjoy the products when you receive them, and good luck next time for everybody else. Okay, take care. Bye.